I can with my body. Our body helps us to do many wonderful things. So we can say number one, with my eyes I can see. With my eyes I can see. With my nose I can smell. With my ears I can hear. With my mouth I can speak. With my mouth I can speak. And with my neck I can roll. With my neck I can roll. With my legs I can walk. With my legs I can walk. With my feet I can stomp. With my feet I can stomp. With my hands I can clap. With my hands I can clap. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.